Have you ever dreamed of standing before monuments that have withstood the test of time? Places that tell stories of ancient empires, unparalleled love, and incredible human achievement? Today we're taking you on an extraordinary journey across continents, through 7 wonders that don't just showcase history, they bring it to life. From towering cliffs of rose-red cities to serene marble reflections, each wonder holds secrets, legends, and mysteries that we're about to unravel together. Stay with us as we dive into the hidden stories, breathtaking details, and fascinating facts behind each of these incredible sights. By the end, you'll see the world, and maybe even yourself, in a whole new light. Let's get started. Number 1. The Great Wall of China. Our journey begins in China, with a structure so immense that it's often said to be visible from space. The Great Wall of China. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it was initially constructed by the Qin dynasty around 221 BCE to protect against northern invaders. What's incredible is that this wall wasn't built all at once. Dynasties over centuries added to it, with fortifications, watchtowers, and walls stretching over rugged terrains. Built by soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, the construction of the wall is believed to have cost thousands of lives. So much so that it's sometimes called the longest cemetery on Earth. But despite its tragic history, the Great Wall today stands as a symbol of resilience, innovation, and unity. Number 2. Petra, Jordan. Next, we travel to Petra, Jordan, an ancient city carved directly into rose-red cliffs. Known as the Lost City, Petra was once the thriving capital of the Nabatean kingdom around the 4th century BCE, controlling trade routes and sheltering its people in rock-cut homes and temples. The architecture is a marvel of ingenuity, with elaborate water channels that allowed this city to flourish in the desert. After being lost to the west for centuries, it was rediscovered in 1812 and today is celebrated for its haunting beauty and its mystery. As we wander through Petra, it's hard not to feel the echoes of the ancient civilization that once called this city home. Number 3. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. High above Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, stands Christ the Redeemer, a symbol of peace, hope, and resilience. Completed in 1931, this 98-foot-tall statue was constructed by Brazilian engineer Vitor da Silva Costa and French sculptor Paul Landowski. The statue is composed of soapstone and reinforced concrete, a material chosen to withstand Brazil's weather. Christ the Redeemer represents the open-armed warmth of the Brazilian people and their faith. And while it's a modern wonder, the story of its construction, carved and assembled piece by piece, adds to its allure. Today, it's not just a religious icon, but an emblem of unity and compassion across the world. Number 4. Machu Picchu, Peru. Our next wonder takes us to the cloud-covered Andes of Peru. Machu Picchu, an Incan citadel, was rediscovered in 1911 by explorer Hiram Bingham. Built in the 15th century, it's a testament to Incan architecture and spirituality, blending perfectly with its rugged surroundings. The stone structures were built without mortar, yet they've withstood centuries of earthquakes and weather. Each stone is carved so precisely that a blade of grass can't fit between them. Scholars still debate its purpose. Some believe it was a royal estate, others a spiritual site. Whatever the reason, standing here feels like stepping back into a mysterious ancient world. Number 5. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Now we find ourselves in Mexico, amidst the ruins of Chichen Itza. The Mayan city flourished around 600 to 1200 CE and was a powerful center for politics, economy, and spirituality. Its pyramid, known as El Castillo, is dedicated to the feathered serpent god Kukulkan. What's fascinating is how the pyramid aligns with the sun on equinoxes. Shadows cast along its steps create the illusion of a serpent slithering down the side, an architectural feat that speaks to the Mayans' astronomical expertise. Chichen Itza is more than ruins. It's a complex calendar, observatory, and center of ancient knowledge. Number 6. The Colosseum, Italy. In the heart of Rome stands the Colosseum, an arena of grandeur and brutality. Built around 70 to 80 CE under Emperor Vespasian, it's one of the best preserved symbols of the Roman Empire. Imagine gladiator battles, animal hunts, and crowds cheering as spectacles unfolded under the Roman sun. The Colosseum could hold up to 50,000 spectators, showcasing Rome's architectural mastery and society's hunger for entertainment. Though earthquakes and time have taken a toll, walking through its arches evokes the vivid history of ancient Rome's power and complexity. Number 7. The Taj Mahal, India. Our journey ends in India, with one of the most romantic structures in the world, the Taj Mahal. Built in the 17th century by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, this white marble mausoleum is a symbol of undying love. The construction took over 20 years and involved craftsmen, artisans, and materials from across Asia. Each corner of the Taj features stunning symmetry, and its marble reflects hues of pink, white, and golden, depending on the time of day. Standing before the Taj Mahal, it's hard not to feel moved by the devotion that shaped it. These 7 wonders are not just remnants of history, they're masterpieces of human creativity, resilience, and spirit. They remind us that while civilizations may rise and fall, the legacy of beauty and wonder lives on. Which wonder would you like to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the world.